How to mine Dogecoin cryptocurrency. 1. Get yourself a Doge-supported crypto wallet. 2. Go to Unmineable, click Download. And then click on the big green button. 3. Use an extraction tool like WinRAR to extract the content into its own folder. 4. Install your mining software. 5. Prepare a batch file by creating a TXT document. 6. Paste miner file location. Alternatively, you can mine Dogecoin by joining a mining pool. To mine Dogecoin profitably, you usually need a computer, one or more ASIC miners for Scrypt-based cryptocurrencies, power supplies for your ASIC miners, an account with a mining pool, access to relatively cheap electricity, and a Dogecoin wallet where the mining pool will send your mining rewards. For more information, please visit Dogecoin Tutorials. https://dogecointutorial.com/mining.html. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share to others. See you in the next video.